Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Shark Vertex is probably one of the most powerful and versatile vacuum cleaners on the market today, designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges with its innovative features and robust performance, making it a top contender for anyone seeking a premium cleaning experience in their home. Number 5. Shark AZ 2002 Vertex-powered lift-away upright vacuum. Experience unparalleled cleaning power with this ultra-powerful vacuum. Its innovative technologies deliver incredible suction for a superior clean. Engineered for exceptional pet hair pickup, this vacuum features a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap. Say goodbye to frustrating tangles. Its duo clean power fins combine a brush roll and soft roller for continuous cleaning contact. It digs deep into carpets and engages floors directly for maximum pickup on every pass. Effortlessly clean under furniture with the detachable pod. You can also detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, and stairs. This vacuum is ideal for pet owners, featuring a self-cleaning pet power brush for deep cleaning without hair wrap. It also includes a crevice tool for hard-to-reach pet hair. With its HEPA filter and complete seal, it traps 99.9% of dust and allergens. Breathe easier knowing your home is cleaner. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions thanks to the large 1-quart dust cup. Less frequent emptying means more efficient cleaning. What we like. This vacuum boasts incredible suction and innovative cleaning technologies, perfect for tackling tough messes. Its self-cleaning brush roll ensures no hair wrap, a dream for pet owners. If you're looking for a robust, full-size vacuum that can handle deep cleaning and reach under furniture with its lift-away pod, this is your top contender. What people say. The Vertex is self-cleaning. I have a Great Pyrenees and a Shepherd Pyrenees mix, two small dogs. I vacuum every other day. It takes forever when you have to stop and clean the brush roll out. Great suction. The pic shows the reservoir being full. This was from just a 12 by 12 thick carpeted room, 5 minutes after vacuuming the same room with my Hoover. Love the maneuverability. You can pop the whole canister off and carry it, or just the top and use the hose attached to the vac. Also very easy to turn and go under tables and stuff. Number 4. Shark Vertex Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum HC 2002. Tired of hair getting tangled in your vacuum brush roll? Our innovative self-cleaning brush roll technology removes hair as you clean, ensuring powerful pet hair pickup without any frustrating tangles. It's perfect for all your floor types. Experience a deeper clean with our Duo Clean Power Fins technology. The combination of power fins and a soft roller provides exceptional performance on both carpets and hard floors. It lifts more dirt and debris with every single pass. Need to clean more than just your floors? This vacuum easily transforms into a lightweight handheld unit, weighing under 3 pounds. Its powerful suction and tapered design make it ideal for tackling stairs, furniture, and those hard-to-reach tight spaces. Pet owners rejoice. This vacuum comes equipped with a specialized pet power brush designed to tackle stubborn pet hair on upholstery and stairs. Say goodbye to tangled messes and hello to a cleaner home. Cleaning around obstacles is now effortless. With advanced swivel steering and a low-profile design, you can easily maneuver around furniture and into tight corners. It even fits under beds and sofas for a complete clean. Don't let hidden dirt escape your notice. Bright LED headlights on the nozzle illuminate dust, pet hair, and debris, even in dimly lit areas and under furniture. See every speck you need to clean. Switching cleaning modes is simple with the intuitive LED display. Easily transition between settings for hard floors, carpets, and above-floor cleaning for optimal performance on any surface. What we like. This corded stick vacuum is incredibly lightweight and converts to a handheld for versatile cleaning. The self-cleaning brush roll means no more hair tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. If you need a nimble vacuum for quick cleanups, stairs, or tight spaces, and appreciate the convenience of a convertible design, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The suction is incredibly powerful for such a lightweight vacuum. It does a good job getting up dust and pet hair, too. It has dual rollers in the head, which is a powered head to add. One at the rear with bristles and the front with a polymer rubber fin design. So its abilities to scoop up debris from laminate floors, linoleum, hardwood or any hard floors is flawless. The Shark HC 2002 Vertex Stick Vacuum is a monster with a whopping 380-watt motor and a 30-foot cord. Number 3. Shark AZ 2002 Vertex Upright Vacuum. Introducing Shark's most powerful vacuum ever. It combines incredible suction with innovative cleaning technologies for a superior clean. Its duo clean power fins feature a power fin roller and a soft roller that work together on all floor types. This provides continuous cleaning contact to dig deep into carpets and engage floors directly, picking up more with every pass. Enjoy powerful pet hair pickup without any hair wrap thanks to the self-cleaning brush roll. It's engineered to tackle more pet hair effectively. With powered lift away, you can lift away the pod for easy cleaning under furniture. Alternatively, detach the nozzle to clean above the floor with ease. It features anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter. This combination traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, ensuring cleaner air. Powerful LED lights are integrated into the nozzle. They illuminate the cleaning path, revealing hidden debris in dimly lit areas of your home. What we like? This is a renewed version of Shark's most powerful vacuum, offering incredible suction and advanced cleaning. It features dual clean power fins and a self-cleaning brush roll for effective pet hair pickup without tangles. If you're looking for a high-performance, full-size vacuum at a potentially more accessible price point, and value HEPA filtration for cleaner air, this renewed option is worth considering. What people say. Very powerful suction. Hair does not get trapped in the rollers, even long hair. Unlike most vacuums I've owned, this one hasn't lost any power or suction. It's still the absolute animal it was on day one. Number 2. KEEPOW filter replacement for Shark Vertex vacuum. These replacement filters are designed to perfectly fit your Shark Vertex, Duo Clean, and other compatible vacuum models. Ensure a seamless fit for optimal cleaning performance. Experience superior cleaning with our advanced filters. They effectively capture 99.98% of fine particles, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and more, for a cleaner home environment. Maintain your vacuum's performance with ease. These filters are washable and reusable. Simply rinse them under water and allow them to air dry. We recommend replacing them every 3 months for best results. Installing these filters is a breeze. Enjoy improved suction power and overall performance by replacing your old filters every 2 to 4 weeks. This value package includes 4 high-quality filter replacements. We are committed to your satisfaction and offer support for any issues you may encounter. What we like? This is a value pack of replacement filters specifically designed for compatible Shark Vertex vacuums. They effectively trap 99.98% of contaminants and are washable for reuse. If you own one of the compatible Shark Vertex models and want to maintain peak suction performance and cleaner air, regularly replacing your filters with these high-quality, reusable ones is essential. What people say. It's amazing how much of a difference changing the filters makes to the performance of the vacuum. I switch out the filters every couple of weeks. I rinse out the used ones and leave to air dry. Having a box of several filters means I always have a clean filter on rotation and my vacuum never loses suction power. Suction was improved over the original, dirty filters. When rinsed out, they go from dirty brown back to almost white and no suction is compromised. Machine washed regularly and they've held up great. So nice to have plenty of filters. Number 1. Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum IZ682H. Experience the cleaning power and performance of a full-size vacuum. This device is designed to tackle dirt and debris with exceptional efficiency. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of cleaning with 2 included batteries. You can clean your entire home without needing to stop and recharge. Its Duo Clean Power Fins brush roll ensures non-stop contact for superior pickup in every pass. Plus, the self-cleaning feature means no more hair wrap, even with pet hair. Stay informed with the IQ display, providing real-time readouts on battery life and performance. You'll always know exactly how much cleaning time you have left. The Multi-Flex technology allows you to easily clean hard-to-reach areas. When you're done, it conveniently stores upright on its own. Transform it into a lightweight hand vac for effortless above-floor cleaning. It's perfect for quick cleanups and reaching higher spots. With HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen complete seal, it captures and traps dust and allergens. This ensures cleaner air in your home. What we like? Experience ultimate cleaning freedom with this cordless vacuum, offering up to 120 minutes of runtime thanks to its dual removable batteries. It combines powerful performance with dual clean power fins and a self-cleaning brush roll. If you prioritize cordless convenience, long cleaning sessions, and real-time performance insights via the IQ display, this model is designed for you. What people say. This vac has 2 rolls contacting the floor where the first roll feeds the second roll and has a strong suction through a rectangle pipe that even picks up my wife's long hair that falls out or that she just throws on the floor after brushing. The long hair very rarely winds around the first roll and does not wind around the second like most vacuums. It has strong suction and does a great job picking up dirt, dust, and hair, more importantly dog hair, from both hard floors, carpet and rugs. I love how lightweight and easy it is to maneuver, and the cordless design makes quick cleanups really convenient. The attachments are also helpful for getting into tighter spaces. The suction was impressive and easy to operate and to dismantle to attach other devices to reach different areas. I could clean easily behind TV and by the toilets. I love the flex so I can go underneath their furniture where I couldn't reach before. Also the container is a nice size to accumulate so I'm not always emptying the bin. I love how I don't have to mess with the cord, which is bonus. Easy to store with the flex and doesn't take much room up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.